Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, scammers never stop. Do they? No, they don't. They always come up with new ideas to deceive honest people like you and me. Now see this, what's happening. I got this message. Somebody claimed to be from Bell and sent this message. Definitely his whoever has sent is not from Bell. Our records show that an outstanding balance of 7.41 CAD from previous bill. To prevent the service interruption and avoid late charges, please ensure that the full amount is paid before this date. You can make the payment conveniently through our self-service website. Thank you for your cooperation. Data rates may apply. Now, many people, I don't have the percentage, but I can say it's a huge number. They use Bell services, right? Now, if they get a message, some of them may by mistake click on the link, but this is not you should do. This is what those scammers want. In order to make it look more legitimate, they have used the Bell logo also. But anybody can copy Bell logo. It's available everywhere. So do not fall to this kind of thing. If you get a text like this, first of all, if you see the link, it itself says that this is a scam. But if you still have any doubt, do not click on the link. Log in into your account and check. You can see the outstanding balance, anything. And if you still have doubt or more concern, call the Bell official customer care. It will appear in your Bell and any legitimate communication that you have got from Bell, and just ask them. They will be able to tell you. They will be able to pull out your profile and tell you what's going on. You can even take a screenshot of this and send it to them to verify. But definitely, like, this is not uh, real one. So be careful, guys. Thanks for watching this video.